friends, and hello fellow vintage lovers. Welcome to a jewelry haul slash preview for tomorrow's Buy It Now jewelry sale. I am so excited about these pieces of jewelry, guys. So this is mainly jewelry that I got at the flea market. Well, it's been a week now. When I went on my birthday, I found a jeweler at the end of the day, and she had a bunch of vintage earrings that she had just put out. So the majority of these items came from her. They were all wonderful. There were so many that I left behind. So I might have to go back sometime soon and just check everything out again. And then over here are some modern pieces that I picked up at the local shop where I get a lot of my artisan jewelry, etc. So, just a reminder, my Buy It Now jewelry sale is Mondays, tomorrow at 7 Eastern, 6 Central. It is a Buy It Now jewelry sale where you claim the item of jewelry that you want just by putting the item number in the comments. So be on the lookout for that video tomorrow. I don't have any, well, I think I might have a couple of pieces of sterling silver that will be in that sale, but the majority of it may be these vintage pieces. We shall see. Okay, guys, so without any further ado, I am going to go ahead and get started. So I am learning more about jewelry every day, it seems, and I'm having so much fun learning. I haven't researched really any of these pieces yet. I believe they are all unmarked. They're so fabulous though. The brooches may be marked. Like, I know this is Sarah Coventry, and I think I looked this elephant up. Oh my gosh, look at him, guys. Look at his little loose-sidey jelly belly. He's phenomenal. So before they go into the jewelry sale tomorrow, I will do further research. I wanted to get the haul out today so you could also see a preview of what's coming tomorrow. I'm super excited. I don't even know where to begin. I'm going to begin with these Buddhas, actually, because they are incredible. So they are screw back. Let me show you the back. Look at how well made these Buddhas are. I'm going to go ahead and just zoom in for the rest of the video so you can see. They are amazing. Oh, they're incredible. And I know they look super heavy, but they're not as heavy as they seem. Are they not incredible? They're so cool. Okay, so above them are a pair of fused glass earrings. I just thought they were cool. I know so many of you are into glass. And are they marked? They may be 925. Looks like there is a marking in there. Ooh, I don't think I can see it right now. But like I said, everything will be researched before the sale. Those definitely could be silver findings there. Okay, then up from that, I got these really cute, I love these cloisonne earrings. These are definitely vintage. I love this heart design. They are intentionally made. There's an upside down heart here with this beautiful lotus. I love the purple and the red. Those are incredible. And then I haven't picked one of these up in a while, so I figured I'd go ahead and get one of these vintage butterflies. I know a lot of people collect them, so I picked him up. He can also be worn as a pendant. I think these are from the 70s, if I remember correctly. Then here, look at these beautiful heart clip-ons. Look at that AB. These are beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. And again, I don't think any of these clip-ons are marked. Look at these cameos. These are very nicely made. They are post back, and they're beautiful. I love the blue cameos. She's so pretty. Oh, I love these so much. And again, don't know who makes them. Here, I did get a piece of sterlings. These are so cute. Look at these little balloon dogs. I mean, I just had to. They're so cute. So I picked those up. This is actually really cool. I did show this in my sale yesterday, but it will be in the jewelry sale as well. This is fused glass, and the artist is Kyle Eno. It's a Hawaiian glass artist who makes jewelry as well. I just thought that was beautiful. These elephants, guys, these elephants are ceramic. They're incredible. Look at the crazing. I love them so much, and they're in such wonderful condition. Then these, I just had to get these. Look at these stars with the purple stone there in the center. So I picked up a lot of clip-ons, as you can see, and they haven't been selling very well for me lately, but I couldn't leave these behind. There are ways that you can convert these to pierced. There's a couple of YouTube videos out there, just so you know. You can take metal pliers and, you know, kind of remove the backing and then attach, you know, a post to them. I'm just throwing that out there. It's not too much work. It may be something I start doing on my own. I don't know. I'll keep you guys posted, because if I do that, I'm definitely going to record and show you guys the whole process. Okay, I'm going back this way. Look at these earrings. Oh my God. So again, all of these clip-ons were in such wonderful condition. Look at how well made these are. They look brand new. Guys, these glow. I'm going to do a little glow and tell at the end of this video. Sorry, I know I'm a little bit shaky. And show you guys some of these items that glow. Oh my gosh. This is a beautiful necklace. So this is frosted glass. You need to clean it, it looks like. But it's this gorgeous brown ambery color. Really pretty. It looks like there are some stone chips in there as well. I'm going to have to try to figure out what those are. Here is the clasp there. This is so pretty, and it's wonderful for fall. Excuse me. Then I picked up this beautiful glass necklace as well. This one is really well made too. I love these little glass teardrops. And here is the clasp on this one. Oops. Now, I haven't looked at this with a loop to see if it's marked anywhere, but it's really well made. Both of these glass necklaces are so nice in person. Just the, you know, the touch, everything. Okay. Then over here, look at these. So these kind of reminded me of a bee. These are beautiful. I love the black. These are perfect for Halloween, and they do glow, y'all. Oh, I just love them. Again, no marking. These are probably unsigned beauties, a lot of these, because they're just so nice. Then I picked up these as well. Look at how pretty that is. Gorgeous. I mean, to die for. And then these, I think these are Bakelite. Not 100% sure, I haven't tested yet, but look at them. These are incredible. These are so 60s. As well as these. So these have a little bit of a glow as well. These are clips. And again, guys, I'm just going to keep saying this. The condition of these is just amazing. So these would be great for Halloween as well as those. Micro mosaic. These are so pretty, guys. I want to just kind of focus on them for a second. So if you don't already know, these are very popular right now. Anything micro mosaic is. A lot of people are collecting it. These are so good. I'm gonna have to look at them with the loop just to make sure. There you see that is marked Italy. It is brass here on the back, I do believe. They're fantastic. Those are screwbacks, and they're just beautiful. But I'm gonna have to look through the loop just to make sure there aren't any pieces of that glass missing. I did, you know, glance at them when I was picking out earrings, and they look to be perfect. Okay, back here, these are so cool. Look at the AB on these. Look at the rows. These are so pretty. Oh, these are marked. What are you marked? I didn't think I picked up any marked. let's see, Austria. Yay! Beautiful Austrian crystal. I mean, they're just to die for. I love them. Okay, then over here, look at these amazing 60s danglers. Oh my gosh, they're so cool. These are plastic. They're wonderful. And again, the condition. Then look at these mother of pearl. Oh my gosh, these clip-ons are amazing too. You are marked. Japan, it looks like. Yeah, aren't these amazing though, guys? They're so pretty. Oh, I love them. Okay, then this beautiful necklace did make an appearance at Saturday's sale. First of all, look at the box clasp there. This is an older necklace. I'm not quite sure how old. Whoops. This is definitely an older plastic material. I don't know exactly what it is, so I'm gonna have to find out. But oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Let me zoom out, kind of show you that necklace. It's super long. It's very flapper style, and I love it. Okay, zooming back in to come back over here. These are amazing as well. These are a very light plastic. They are so cool. Look at this design. Oh my gosh. Aren't they cool? Then these, I might have to keep these. These are Egyptian. They're not ceramic. They're some sort of composite. Are they marked? I don't think so. But look at this relief here. They're so freaking cool. Now that I'm looking at them closer, I'm not sure that they're Egyptian. I thought they were. They could be some sort of South American as well. Ooh, I'm gonna have to look at these further. Oh, they're so cool. They're very lightweight as well, which is shocking. Then, oh my goodness, Mr. Elephant, look at him, y'all. He is incredible. No discoloration or tarnishing on him. Look at his little belly. He's so good. And then this guy, I just couldn't resist him. There is a little bit of discoloration there on his left ear. I haven't tried to clean it or anything yet. But look at him. He's kind of derptastic, is he not? Here is the back. Norma Jean. Okay. He's a good weight. So yeah, I got 3 elephant pieces. Okay, then over here, like I said, I picked up some pieces from a local store here in town, and some of them are the handmade artisan pieces, and then some are like Halloween. I just thought people might enjoy them. So I have these silver tone mushrooms, as well as some brass tone mushrooms, or bronzy, I guess you could say. Then I got these enamel moss. I just thought those were pretty. And this is like a faux opal with glass crystal beads. It's really pretty. It glows as well. I just thought that was cool. Kind of Kendra Scott-esque, I would say. Then, you know, some more of these acrylic Halloween earrings. I just thought these were my favorites, these ones I picked out. So I got them. I got Oogie Boogie. Where are you, Oogie? Here's Oogie. I got Sally. These are from Nightmare Before Christmas, if you didn't already know. I got these tarot cards. So unfortunately, the planchette Ouija board earrings that I got are sold out. So I couldn't get any more, but I got these tarot card earrings, which I thought were really cool. And of course, I had to get these celestial snakes. They're so cool. Okay, and then down here, I got these. So these were handmade, and these were they in the sale? I think they were in the sale. Let me kind of, well, I'm gonna keep zoomed in. So I picked them up because they're celestial, they're moon shaped, and they have natural crystals. This has some rose quartz and cherry quartz. This one is different shades of Indian agate. And then this is the lapis pear. So I got 3 different pairs of those. I just thought they were super cool. Okay, let me show you the glow. Are you ready? These amber glow, look at that. Oh my goodness. Then these purple have a glow as well. Trying to zoom in a little bit. Well, it's not showing up. Oh, there you go. I think you can see it there. Let's see, who else glowed? Somebody else glowed. There is a glow on these amazing 60s orange pieces as well. Oh my gosh. Ooh, sorry about my camera angle, guys. Look at these. I'm telling you, these are perfect for Halloween. They're so cool. I'm going to move them over here so I can show you a little bit better maybe. Dude, I am so sorry about my camera work. So I did mention I have had a really bad insomnia for like 10 days now. I'm just getting a few hours of sleep and it's bad. And it's due to an injection that I got. Anyway, hopefully the side effects will go away soon. So I apologize. My brain is just not up to snuff right now. Oh yeah, those glow a little bit too. Do you see it? Do you see it? Oh my gosh. And then, yeah, I've got some glow going on these orange balls. So pretty cool, guys. I love vintage jewelry. I just had so much fun digging for these treasures. So like I mentioned, these will be available for sale tomorrow at 7 Eastern, 6 Central on my channel. It's my weekly Buy It Now jewelry sale. I hope to see you guys then. I hope everyone's had a wonderful weekend. And I want to thank everybody who came to my sale yesterday. I had a blast. You guys are just incredible. Thank you so much for everything you do for me. Bye.